Hey friends, if you encounter the error can't move the folder because there is a folder in the same location that can't be redirected, then please watch this video. So I'll give you a very simple solution. Open File Explorer and go to the Home tab. Now right click on any of these options like desktop, download, documents, pictures, music and videos, any of these. Right click on these, any of these six, select show more options, select properties, go to the location tab and then click on restore default. Now I'll tell you what happens when you click on restore default. It won't just restore the default for music folder, but it will also rearrange others in place, because if they were not arranged, then music folder would not be arranged either. There would be a conflict of space, right? So this will rearrange the whole system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.